I'm Chris with Tactical Aviation. The U.S. Navy, Army, Marines, and Air Force all use drones to support combat missions. They save time, money, and lives by allowing aerial surveillance by remote control. They also deliver the occasional weapons payload. The Army and Marines have created distinct military occupational specialties, MOSs, for UAV operators. The Navy has made UAVs a Navy enlisted classification. That's a skill or job designator for specially trained pilots, the Navy equivalent of an MOS. Unmanned aircraft operators in the U.S. Army are remote pilots of drones that gather intelligence used in operational tactics. As intelligence specialists, they play an important role providing Army personnel with information about enemy forces and battle areas. Drone pilots use specialized skills to conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. Drone pilots operate UAVs such as the Shadow, Gray Eagle, Reaper, Global Hawk, and other systems to gather intelligence for mission planning. Drone pilots for military will prepare and conduct reconnaissance missions and operate the camera for target detection. It takes more than 23 weeks of advanced individual training and an ASVAB score of 102 in surveillance and communication to become a drone pilot. The skills you learn will help prepare you for a career with the federal government and agencies such as the CIA or NSA. Today, more and more missions call for remotely piloted aircraft, and as the demand for these specialized aircraft grows, so does the demand for qualified pilots to fly them. Whether it's providing close air support, gathering intelligence, or conducting strategic airstrikes, drone pilots are a growing part of our nation's air defense.